Hey everyone, welcome to the Beavercraft channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the most popular forms of wood carving, relief carving. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and ring the bell to get notified about all our upcoming videos. In this episode, we're going to cover the essentials of relief carving, everything from the tools you'll need to the techniques for creating beautiful depth in your designs. No matter your skill level, I promise you'll find something helpful in this video. So, what exactly is relief carving? In a nutshell, it's when you carve a design that stands out from the background of the wood. Think of it like creating a 3D effect on a flat surface. You're not carving all the way through, just giving some parts more dimension than others. For those new to this technique, relief carving is all about creating depth and texture in your designs by carving away the surrounding wood, allowing your image to pop. It's a beautiful, versatile skill you can use for everything from wall art and home decor to custom furniture. To get started with relief carving, you'll need a few key tools: chisels, gouges, V-tools, and carving knives. A mallet can also come in handy, especially when working with tougher wood or making deeper cuts. For beginners, I highly recommend using soft basswood. It's easy to carve and forgiving when you're learning. Just make sure your tools are sharp. A quick touch-up with a leather strop and a polishing compound will get them ready. Sharp tools are key for making clean, smooth cuts that really bring your carving to life. Now, let's talk about the design. When you're starting with relief carving, it's a good idea to choose something simple and familiar. Think basic shapes, leaves, flowers, or even geometric patterns. These designs are not only easier to carve, but also give you a chance to practice your skills and build confidence before moving on to more complex projects. To demonstrate the relief carving process, we'll use a simple yet elegant design, a woman's face in a hat. It's a nice and easy project to start with, but feel free to choose any design that speaks to you. You can either draw your design directly onto the wood, or, if freehand isn't your thing, you can use a pre-made pattern that you can easily find online and transfer it onto your wood. Just make sure your lines are clear and solid, because they'll act as your guide once you start carving. The first step in carving is establishing your outline. This means making precise, shallow cuts along the lines of your design. These cuts will help define the edges of your image and prevent the wood outside your pattern from splintering or breaking as you carve. You can use a knife, chisel, or V-tool for this step, whichever feels most comfortable for you. Just remember, don't cut too deep at this stage. We're just defining the boundaries here. Take your time and focus on making clean, precise cuts. After you've got the outline, it's time to start removing the background. The goal here is to carve away the wood around the design, creating that raised, three-dimensional effect. You can use gouges or chisels for this, whatever tool gives you the most control. Start by removing a shallow layer of wood around your design and work deeper as needed. The more background you remove, the more your design will stand out. Be patient and work slowly to avoid cutting into the edges of your design. Once you've carved away the background and your design is standing out, it's time to refine the details. You can use a mix of smaller chisels and gouges to enhance the contours and add intricate features to your project. This is where you can really bring your design to life. Focus on adding depth and texture to the raised areas of your carving. As you work, be mindful of the grain of the wood. It will help guide your cuts and ensure smooth, clean results. Not all relief carving projects require sanding, especially if your design features intricate textures that you want to keep. However, if you notice any rough spots or want to achieve a smoother finish, you can gently sand the edges and surface with fine grit sandpaper. This will help refine your piece and give it that polished, professional appearance. Relief carving is a rewarding technique that allows you to create beautiful 3D designs in wood. As you practice, you can move on to more complex designs and start experimenting with different types of wood, creating intricate wall hangings, personalized gifts, and beyond. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for hanging out in the workshop with me. Happy carving, and I'll see you next time.